The spiritual benefits of Ramadan, and we should always fast and always worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not only in the month of Ramadan.
We learned about Ramadan and the benefits and the rewards you can get about Ramadan, and we learned patience, kindness and self. I learned about that Ramadan is not about only not eating and drinking, it's about being patient, worshipping Allah.
We need to be patient and mindful.
How Ramadan shapes a Muslim being and increases his patience.
Importance and benefits of Ramadan.
And why we should fast Ramadan. And we learn about importance.
Still pray and remember Allah even if it's after Ramadan.
I learned to be patient, kind, and we should understand how poor people feel. That Ramadan is a month of patience, and then fasting increases our spirituality.
We need to leave the bad habits and learn new habits, because if you do the same thing for 30 days after Ramadan, inshallah, you will be able to leave the things you always wanted to leave and start new things.
Ramadan.
How to respect everyone in the month of Ramadan and what we're supposed to do in the month of Ramadan.
I believe that everyone should be doing good deeds in the month of Ramadan and also after Ramadan.
Importance and benefits of Ramadan.
And why we should fast Ramadan. And we learn about importance.
Still pray and remember Allah even if it's after Ramadan.
How the month of Ramadan helps us spiritually, physically and mentally, and how Allah and how we come close to Allah and how we all pray and we come together.
That Ramadan is all about patience, and you must fast, and you must keep your tongue and all in control. You should not swear or anything.
Ramadan teaches us about discipline, not just about surviving through hunger. It teaches about discipline and how to be respectful, and teaches us patience, also valuable lesson how to change ourselves.
In today's assembly, I learned about the importance of Ramadan and the night of decree. And from now on, I will always be fasting in the month of Ramadan and trying my best.
Assalamu alaikum. In today's assembly, I learned about the deeper meaning of Ramadan. It should not be like a simple fasting or like that. It should be more of a spiritual journey.
Today in the assembly, I learned about Ramadan and the night of Laylatul Qadr and about self-restraint. Thank you.
I learned about Ramadan. It's a month of worship and forgiveness and self-control.
So the summary for the Ramadan is from the Ramadan is that even though you're fasting, it's not only that water and food that you're avoiding, it's also that you have to be patient. You shouldn't say bad words in this day, and you should do good deeds, so because they have a multiplier of 70 in Ramadan.